In this example, we're going to divide numbers that don't work out exactly. However, the answer will be greater than 1. So, $50 is shared equally between 8 people. How much does each person get? We need to change these words into numbers. So, $50 is shared equally between those 8 people. So, that's 50 divided by 8. And as we looked at last time, we need to rewrite that in an exactly equivalent form by saying that that's actually 50 divided by 8. Next, we need to write each of those numbers as a product of their prime numbers. So 50 might be 5 times 10. 5 is prime. 10 is 5 times 2. So 50 can be written as 5 times 5 times 2 divided by 8. If it's written, 8 is 2 times 4. 2 is prime. 4 is 2 times 2. So 8 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2. Now, as we were mentioning beforehand, when you have got all these numbers multiplied together, you can write them in any order you like. But also, you can separate the fraction. So this can be written as 5 over 2 times 5 over 2 times 2 over 2. And what that allows you to do is to simplify it, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we can put it all back together, and we can say that we've got 5 times 5, 1, it's just really kind of worked it out itself there, and 2 times 2 times 1, if you like. So we can now make that out as 5 times 5 times 1, which is 25, over 2 times 2 times 1, which is 4. And that's the amount of money they get, but it's not written in a very easy way of being able to work it out. Let's have a look. So we've got 25 over 4 is our actual final answer, but we really want to know how many dollars that is. If we want to split this up, this is 25 divided by 4. This is 25 divided by 4. So 25 is divided into 4 equal parts, or we could say we've got 25 quarters. So whichever way you want to look at it. If we have 25 quarters, we might want to then draw some holes and start cutting it into quarters. That's 4 quarters, 8 quarters, 12 quarters, 16 quarters, 20 quarters, 24 quarters, 28 quarters. That's plenty of quarters. We actually want 25 quarters, so that's going to give us 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. So by the time we've got 24 lots of a quarter, that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's actually going to fill up 6 holes. And then that's 24 quarters, which means we've now got 1 more quarter to look at. So, in other words, 25 divided by 4, or 24 quarters, 25 quarters will give us 6 holes and just 1 quarter left over. So they will get $6 plus $0.25, and $0.25 is more simply written as 25 cents, because there are 100 cents in a dollar, and a quarter of 100 is 25.